Hi everybody, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are, as always, your hosts, Arne and Carlos.
Yeah. Nothing changed in that.
Nothing changes there.
That department.
And today we are gonna talk about catching floats, because you see, we do read comments. We try to, take in as much as we can, listen to what you want us to do. And we, want to do videos that answer those questions. A lot of people have been asking about the floats.
So we will show them.
So we'll definitely show it. And please know that you can always comment, put things on the comment field if you want us to do tutorials. Sometimes we run out of ideas. Give us some ideas always. We really appreciate that. So let's talk about the floats.
So we will show how we do it. There's probably hundreds other ways to do it, but the way we do it. We will show it.
And we've got a few projects here and a few swatches that we've been knitting.
Yeah, these are nice to show because on this we knitted with the merino extra fine with the what do you call that? The multicolor.
Yeah, the multicolor that we designed a couple of years ago. That is available in a lot of colors.
Yeah. And we think it's so fun to play with the multicolor yarn and
then a solid color.
Solid color. So like for this, for example, we did. What do you call that? The squares?
I think it's rhombs or a crisscross pattern or
something. So it came out like this. But on this one, you have to carry the yarn a lot because you have these long distances in between the brown.
Yeah.
So you have to carry the float on the back. So it looks like this.
Yeah, so let's give a good zoom in so that people can see the back and how you are twisting, and you can see that the pattern is also on the back. You have
the pattern on both sides, kind of.
Yeah, you have the diagonal lines crisscrossing, and you have it on the back as well because of the twisting of the yarns. I've got another swatch here, which is actually the same. It's just got a change in color, and again, if you look at the back, you can see the floats, how they are carried. And you can see the diagonal lines.
And if you're really clever, you can actually change the floats so you get a pattern.
On the back.
On the back, if you want to wear it inside out.
Mm-hmm. Can be done. Everything's doable.
Everything is possible. And we also brought the UFO, the sweater, which is going to be a sweater. And on this one we have these big 8-leaf roses. We found this inspiration in a Swedish pattern, these big roses. And it's the same on this one. You have to carry the floats. So it looks like this on the inside.
And again, you can see the stars on the back as well.
Yes. So the important thing with carrying floats is that if you carry the float on many rounds, like on this one, like on this square, you have to carry the float a lot. So if you knit 3, then you can carry the yarn, and then you can knit 3 more, and then you carry the yarn. But on the next round, you shouldn't knit 3 and carry the yarn because it's on a straight line. So
that would be on the same position, but 1 row above. So you want to
have to change it. So maybe you knit 2 and then you carry the yarn, and then you knit 3 or 4. So you have to move the spot where you carry the yarn. If not, it will shine through your knit.
Yeah. So to sum up, kind of like a rule of thumb, when you're going to carry a float, you're going to do it after every 3, 4, or 5 stitches. If you do on row number 1, if you twist on the 3rd stitch, then twist on the 4th on row number 2, and then go back to twisting on the 3rd stitch on row number 3. That way your twist is going, alternating from one stitch to another, and then you won't have that line that will show through.
And I read in a really old pattern from the Norwegian art and craft community that we have in the workroom, and it said, remember to twist the yarn every 3rd stitch.
Yeah.
So that was it, like in the 40s or 30s or something.
But you can't do it every 3rd stitch on every row, so you do have to find a way to compromise.
But I can knit on this one and show.
Yeah. Okay, so we brought our educational needles so that Arne can show you. And you remember, if you think Arne knits too fast, you always have that little wheel that you can click on, which is the settings. Click on that wheel, the one that looks like it comes from the inside of a clock. Click on that, and then you can adjust the speed. So if it goes too fast now, don't despair. There is a function on YouTube to make it slower so that you can see this in peace and quiet and get it that way.
I try to make it slow.
Yeah, but
really slow.
If you make it too slow, Then people can slow it down
Okay.
even more.
So now I'm going to make 5 of the bluish and 1 white. But then if I do it from the pearl side, it's easier to see. And I lost the stitch, but this is just a sample, so
doesn't matter.
who cares? Bring it on. That. Okay. So then I have to start with 2 white. When I start the knit with the other color, sometimes I knit the first one just to get the yarn up. Then I purl this one. Then the blue go to how do you say that?
Turquoise.
Turquoise. Let's call it blue and make it simple. I can pronounce blue.
Blue is easy. Blue is easy.
And then I have to make 5 blue. So if I purl 2 blue, then I just block the white like this. And then I purl 3 blue. Like this. And then I have 1 white, then the white goes to the back, the blue goes to the front, and then I purl 1 white.
And that way you carry the float.
Yeah.
So the question is...
So now you see, I carry it. But I can do it the other way also.
Yeah.
So if I purl 2 blue, I can go this way. If I went that way the first time, I can also go this way.
Yeah, that was my question. I was going to say, a lot of people are going to wonder, does it matter if it goes over or under?
A lot of people think it's matter, but if you can make a test, just knit and
a few rows,
rows and twist both ways, and I don't think you can see it. If your tension is even, you won't see any difference. And then this one goes that way.
Yeah.
But when you do this, you have to remember, when you twist it, like we said, if you knit 2, twist, knit 3, you can't do the twist on the same spot the next time, because then it shines through.
So yeah, do it from the knit side as well, so that...
Okay, I'll go back from here.
Yeah. And then it's easy because people can see it also done when you're knitting the stitches.
So let me do... I can do the same.
Yeah, just do the same.
But now this will be really bad where I started.
Doesn't matter, it's just a
So
demonstration.
So I knitted 2, twisted, knitted 3, now I get 4. So, but you see, I twisted on this spot, I have to twist the yarn on another spot. That's the place where I twisted the first time.
And you don't want to do it there again on the second
I can do it, and then you see what happens if you do it on the same place. That's what you get.
Yeah.
You see, if you do it on the same spot.
You get the thread coming in between the 2 stitches.
So remember, if you do color work like this, and you have a lot of stitches between one color, you have to carry the floats on the back and never twist the yarn on the same place.
If you're twisting from over or under, doesn't matter.
No.
And as always, color work, and we've said it before, I will say it again, color work is always about tension. So whenever you want to do a color work project, we always recommend you to do what we do, knit little swatches, test the tension, look at the gauge, and then you can practice doing the float, taking it from over or under to see what happens in your case, and just make sure that the tension is even, that the number of stitches that you have are the same number of stitches that it is indicated on the pattern. And if you do that, you'll always be okay.
Yeah, and if you take a close look at this, and if you can tell which way it was twisted,
you can't.
You're good. Then I think I will buy a box of peanuts or something and send a gift. I don't know, whatever, something. because I can't see any difference.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah. So do you wanna keep twisting?
I'm finished.
Oh. Well, you're not finished with this project for sure.
No, I still haven't got any more.
Yeah, that's what I say. You know, what is it they say? Carry on?
Yeah.
No.
One day I will wear this on a film.
So just let's keep knitting, let's keep twisting, and thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to our channel if you like what you saw today on the video. Click on the like button, and please, if you have any suggestions, any ideas, any comments, please don't hesitate to put them on the comment line here below, and we'll be reading them, and we will be assessing and twisting and taking things into consideration for future videos. So thank you so much for watching, and see you again next time. Bye.